Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best 5-watt solar panels available for outdoor security cameras. This solar panel from EverExceed is designed specifically for outdoor security cameras powered by 5 volts rechargeable batteries. It features a robust monocrystalline silicon build, ensuring high efficiency and durability. With an IP65 waterproof rating and an operating range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, making it ideal for year-round outdoor use. In terms of performance, this 5-watt solar panel ensures continuous solar energy supply during daylight hours, effectively reducing the hassle of frequent battery recharges. It's compatible with cameras featuring micro USB or USB Type-C ports, excluding Arlo Blink Ring cameras. The package includes the solar panel itself, an adjustable wall mount, screws, a user manual, and a USB-C connector. To sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install solar panel to keep your outdoor security camera running without interruption, this EverExceed 5W model is a top choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and current pricing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.